India has ramped up its testing capacity for COVID-19 and conducted over 4.20 lakh tests. This is the highest ever number of tests in a day, the Union Health Ministry said. The government credited the increase in number of labs for the achievement. In January, India had only one testing lab for coronavirus, which has now increased to 1,301, including private labs. Rajasthan Chief Minister Ashok Gehlot, who has been pressing for an assembly session to prove his numbers after the disqualification matter went to the Supreme Court, said today that he will not let what he calls a BJP conspiracy to succeed. I will go to Rashtrapati Bhavan if needed. If we have to picket at Rashtrapati Bhavan or even Prime Minister's residence, we will, he told his MLAs. Uttar Pradesh Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath visited Ayodhya on Saturday, 10 days before the scheduled groundbreaking ceremony for the construction of the Ram Temple at the once contested site. Adityanath promised that celebrations will light up every home and temple on the nights of August 4th and 5th. A bishop from Punjab's Jalandhar has approached the Supreme Court seeking to clear rape charges against him. Bishop Franco Mullakkal was accused of raping a nun several times between 2014 and 2016 in Kerala. Mullakkal, in his petition to the Supreme Court, said he has been implicated in the case and questioned the financial dealings of the nun. US federal prosecutors have charged 4 Chinese nationals with visa fraud for lying about their status as members of the Chinese army while they were conducting research in the US, the Justice Department said. The FBI has arrested 3 of them, while the 4th, who is a fugitive, is currently being harbored at the Chinese consulate in San Francisco, it said. Ace music composer A.R. Rahman said that there is a gang in the Hindi film industry that's working against him. He said he didn't realize why fewer Hindi movies were coming his way until Mukesh Chhabra, who is behind Dil Bechara, told him there were people who asked him not to approach Rahman. He said the gang was spreading false rumors due to misunderstandings.